way to the airport express. It's so cold today, but I'm like not wearing any jacket because I didn't want to carry like a huge jacket with me. So this is all what I'm wearing. Thank you. Huge ass luggage for me, even though it's just a 5 days trip, but you can never go wrong with a bigger luggage. Let's go down. People who are traveling together, so they offer discount for if you're traveling in a group or like in a pair. So it's best if we just purchase the ticket here at the customer service center. Got my discounted single journey ticket from Hong Kong station to the airport for $170. I think originally it's like $110 each, so we saved quite a lot. This one for you. Yep. Because last time they had some here on the Airport Express on the news, so yeah, don't want to get bed bugs. This looks relatively clean. It's gonna take only 25 minutes to the airport, I think it is. We'll pass through Kowloon, Chengdu, finally the airport station. I love the Hong Kong Airport Express because it's like so clean and so fast as well. It's like way more convenient than if you were taking a cab or anything. So every time I go to the airport, I just take the Airport Express. Almost there, almost made it to the airport, and look at the view. It's the best part before, arriving at the airport, because there's like this sea view, and it's so relaxing.
We will soon arrive at Hong Kong International Airport. Please ensure you take all your baggage with you. Passengers for Asia World Expo, please stay on the train.
If you bought those disposable tickets, make sure you put it in the recycling bin so you can recycle it and it doesn't go to waste. That was fast. Whoa, cool. They're scanning my face, I think. So I just have to confirm it. Scan the bag tag with scanner. Bye bye luggage, see you in Chengdu. So I just randomly walked into Prada to look at the hobo bag, and it looks so cool. Like my best friend also has one, and apparently before they're doing this promotion where if you spend 15K, they'll give out one set of free Japan return ticket. So that's very tempting. So I'm like debating whether I should get the bag. It is 16K though. For a rash decision, we have 1 hour to decide. Which cake to go for? So the winner is salted caramel crepe. Oh, oat milk. So warm. Decided not to get the bag because I just don't want to make impulsive purchase. and I'm sure I'll be able to get it, you know, back in Hong Kong anyway. Prada's everywhere. So yeah, and to be honest, I can just steal Rudy's Uniqlo bag, which is also nylon, and write Prada on it. Guys, did you know you can just like grab a tag from this wall? So let's see if they have Chengdu. Probably not. Oh, they have Chengdu. Let's take that one. Thank you.
Thank you. No worries.
We're going to Chengdu. Yay. So guys, these are the places we went to this year. Went to Macau, Shenzhen, LA, Chengdu, and Tokyo, which is not available, so no Tokyo for us. So we just had a scare just now. We thought the gate was 40, but actually it was not. So luckily the gate is only 8 gates away, so we're not too far off. For having an expired home card, because she was like, oh, can I see your home card? I was like, oh shit, am I not gonna be able to board the plane? But of course I can, because they just extended all the expired permits to the end of the year, and we're returning by the end of the year, so I'm good. And there's a long queue to board the plane. I don't know why. Wow, these seats are damn tight. Like, I don't know, is this like a cheap airline or what? Never seen seats like this tight. Like, even for me, I'm so small. Look at the leg room. It's like this, only this much gap. And my legs are like really short. Can't wait to eat some food because I'm so hungry. Look, it's showing like the flight time and everything on the screen. I think it's like a new model. Even has a camera. For what? What's the camera for? For a Zoom call or something? Or is it just like trying to stalk us and see what we're doing and make sure we're not behaving or something? It will be a 2 hour or 3 hours. Well, see you guys in Chengdu then. Airport's looking nice. It is very cold. Apparently it's 4 degrees now and freezing. We're gonna go past the immigration and then get the luggage and hopefully get out of here ASAP, because it is 10:30 already. It takes an hour to get to the city center where we stay in the hotel. So yeah, let's get out of here as soon as possible. Only 2 hours and 15 minutes. After finishing one movie, it's about time to like land already. So yeah, here we are. Finally made it past the immigration and luggage and everything. Look, they have Costa coffee. Reminds me of the UK. I don't know why I'm like hiking up like a hill or something just to get out of the airport, and I mean, God, I think it's that way. Oh my God, this is like workout. I can't do this at like 11 p.m. So if you're taking the Uber or something like that, make sure to go to L1 in the P1 parking lot. Yeah, the lobby is on the 30th, so here we are, gonna check in. It's late. Hopefully there's someone here. Yes, there is. Yo. He said it closed at 12, so we should go. It smells so good. We're welcomed by 2 bowls of noodles, upon check-in, which came with the hotel room. And for me, that is such a nice complimentary option because, like, you know, it's like 4 degrees. What's better than a bowl of warm noodles? Of course, spicy for me. We have bamboo shoot, tomato and egg. Oh, pickled veggies. So that's all for me. Oh, look how cute. What is this supposed to be? Some duck, although there's not a tub in this hotel. And they wrote a card. Wow, but writing is so hard to read. We have a mini bar here, tea, some fruits, and the toilet is kind of separated with the washing area, which is good. And I can just take my time and, you know, in front of the mirror here. Yeah, the toilet is a standing rain shower. Rain shower is always a good idea. I love it. By the way, this hotel also provides sex toy in the hotel room. Is this some kind of weird hotel or what? Like, I mean, there are kids living in here, right? I mean, condom, I get it, but like there's like flashlight and like I don't know what else. Is it like vibrator? I was wondering what this dark box was because it's like so, you know, it looks so mysterious. And then like, yeah, it really told me what it was. Only in Chinese hotel. You will not find this in an international chain. So this is why we had to check out Chinese hotel for you to see, you know, how different it is. So we're just staying here for one night only before we move to the Hilton tomorrow. Just wanted to, like, you know, see the difference between like a Chinese hotel chain and a international one. Not bad really. Like I didn't really have that much expectation because, you know, it's not an international hotel chain, but I think for the price it's really worth it. So if you're on a budget and you want to like travel to Chengdu, I would recommend this hotel.